Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful floral crochet scrunchie. It's beginner friendly, adds a cute touch to your hairstyle and perfect for everyday wear. So let's begin. For materials, I'm going to be using this 3-ply yarn and I'll be doubling up the strand, a hairband, a size 4.0mm hook, and the scissors as well. I forgot to show that. Alright, so to start, I'm going to grab my yarn just like this, okay, and now I'm going to pick up my hairband and put my crochet hook into the hairband. Then I'm going to pull the loop of my yarn into the hairband just like this. So I'm just going to hold it this way, and now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to work 60 double crochet stitches into this hairband, and I'm just going to pull that tail there to tighten it up just like that. So yeah, I'm going to work my double crochet stitch now. Yarn over, go into the hairband, grab a loop from behind, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, go into the hairband, grab a loop from behind, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and I'm going to work 60 double crochet stitches into this hairband. So continue and I'll come back to tell you what to do next. So I have my 60 double crochet stitches and I'm going to change to this other color. So I'm going to just make a slip knot, and that's my slip knot. Now I'm going to use a slip knot to make a slip stitch. So go into that very first stitch, insert the crochet hook there. Now I'm going to grab the slip knot and put it onto the crochet hook, pull it through that stitch, and also pull it through the loop that's already on the hook. So we have attached our new yarn. Now I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and we're going to start working our florals now. So to do that, I'm going to skip 2 chains, and into the third one I'm going to work 2 double crochet stitches together. So yarn over, go into that chain, grab a loop from behind. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, go into the same chain, grab a loop from behind. Now there's 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now there's 3, yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 loops. Okay, so chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch into that same chain, so into that same space. Make a slip stitch, chain 2, work 2 double crochet stitches together. So yarn over, go into that same space, grab a loop from behind, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, go into the chain, grab a loop from behind, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 loops, chain 2, make a slip stitch into that space, chain 2, make 2 double crochet stitches together, chain 2, slip stitch into the same space, chain 2, make 2 double crochet stitches together, chain 2, slip stitch into the same space. Now chain 2, 1, 2, make 2 double crochet stitches together, chain 2, and slip stitch into the same space. This is the last slip stitch. Now you're going to chain 2, and our first floral is done. So once we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals, we're done with one floral. So now we're going to skip 2 stitches and go into the third one and make a slip stitch. Now chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 2 chains and now go into the third one and make 2 double crochet stitches together. Chain 2, slip stitch into that same chain, chain 2, make 2 double crochet stitches together. Chain 2, go back into the same space, make a slip stitch, chain 2, make 2 double crochet stitches together, still in that same chain space, chain 2, make a slip stitch into that same space, chain 2, make 2 double crochet stitches together, chain 2, slip stitch into that same space, chain 2, make 2 double crochet stitches together, chain 2, slip stitch into the same space. Alright, so we have 5 petals and we're done with another floral. So that's 5. So we're going to chain 2, 1 2, and now after that stitch where we have the floral, we're going to skip 2 stitches, and into the third one we're going to make a slip stitch, chain 5, 2 3 4 5, and now we're going to go into the third one and make another floral and continue like this. Just continue this pattern until you get to the end of the round. Okay, so yeah, and at this point I'm going to cut the brown one because it's going to be in my face, and yeah, I don't need it anymore. And so I have worked all of my florals and I'm going to show you how to end now. So chain 2, and you find that you have 2 stitches left. We're going to go into the very first stitch there where we did our first chain 5 and attach with a slip stitch. Okay, now I'm going to chain 1 and pull the yarn, then I'm going to cut. Alright, so yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and hide my yarn tail just like this. So hide your yarn tail whichever way you like to. This is how I like to hide my yarn tail, with a smaller crochet hook. I just use it to put the yarn tail into the stitches. Alright, so just like that, and once I am satisfied with hiding it, I'll just cut the leftover yarn tail, and that's it, guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and arrange the florals to make it look finer and more aligned. Okay, so that's the floral crochet scrunchie all done. This is really cute. If you have any question to ask, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I'm more than happy to put you through because I like to see people recreate what I have done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.